How did you enjoy the coaching?
Yeah, I'm very happy. Yeah, it's a big difference, very big difference between kind of the first class and even the chicken I first played it, working with you and all the way to the end. I don't think I could have been able to, come up with that and you know do put that together without a lot of help. So I think there's been a lot of growth towards the end.
Can you say, okay, this is one thing I improved the most?
Probably like understanding the components of what makes a nice dish. So 4 or 5 components, different textures. How to put it together, and then the actual like plating it together, and trying to create height and think about the contrasting pieces and stacking. I think that was a big learning thing for me.
So do you feel like you can be even more creative now and you can do
Oh
maybe
yeah,
your
one
own
hundred
dishes in the
percent.
future? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm really happy with I'm really glad like the format you kind of took with the teaching of the not just the plating but like how to cook the different elements like the sauces, the purees, because I feel like what I have is a good foundation now.
Would you start again if you would know how much you improve?
Oh yeah, 100%, 100%. I think
Um,
yeah, knowing if I could go back time like what like 3, 4 months ago, knowing this is the output, yeah, 100%, I would sign up again.